This brand is a part of GRE Electric Appliance Company and the units are made in China. They are now only sold through a very limited dealer network. The heat pumps feature inverter compressors and coated coils for durability as well as built-in Wi-Fi for control. They have a 7-speed indoor fan and a temperature-sensing remote control for enhanced comfort. The entry-level TWH AT models are basic 19-SEER single-zone heat pumps, while the mid-level TWH AG models are premium heat pumps that have a 25-SEER cooling efficiency. The high-level TWHQ models are ultimate heat pumps that have a 38-SEER efficiency rating. The Manahattan Series multi-units are heat pumps that are optimized for heating and feature AI-powered defrost control for enhanced efficiency and comfort. The units are backed by a very good guarantee, but it is difficult to find an authorized installer. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.